welcome to episode 38 of my art journey. Keep a record of my progress and track how I'm coming along. And this time I pushed myself to a whole new frontier, and that is trying to paint a figure into a plein air painting. And it worked out really great because what caught my eye, and there were many scenes possible to paint, was Lucian with everything set up for his oil painting and landscape. And it was a bright, sunny morning, another beautiful day in Kentucky. And he was wearing that big straw hat to shade his eyes, and it was just perfectly contrasted against the dark shadows of the barn. And one of the key things you want to do in looking for a good focal point for a painting is where are the strongest lights and darks, where do the strongest contrasts come together, or where are the boldest colors or sharp edges. And so this had a little bit of everything that I look for. I made sure as I began to lay in the sketch and the underpainting to put Lucian in the lower left corner, kind of down where one line here comes down and this one comes here, and that's considered the golden mean. Anything off center and kind of in this position, it could be up here, it could be over here, or it could be over here, is a good spot for what's called the golden mean. I also started laying in Lucian first because I figured, and I teased him and told him that he'd probably be like the horse. He would move as often as the horse, and I better lay in the thing that wouldn't be there. And sure enough, after about an hour and a half or so, he packed up. He was done with his painting, and I still had a little while to go. And so I finished by adding in the landscape after I already had what I was happy with on getting the figure in. So this was something that I purposely tried to do, having watched a few videos and wanting to work on quick gestures and figures in the landscape as we get ready to go to Hilton Head in a week and a half. And I hope to try to do some figures on the beach, most notably our granddaughters, and practice. Certainly I'll be doing plein air painting every day from the beach. So the site of our paint out, Plein Air Painters with Bluegrass, was in Versailles, Kentucky, on the farm of Flora Garner Platt. And not only was she our hostess, but she also took her first plein air painting lesson. So she was host and overcame the fear factor and joined this great outdoor adventure. So I hope you enjoy, watch as you see the painting progress and see the beautiful possible scenes that could have been painted and some of the other artists and what they were working on.